Good day to all. My name is Amreen Khan. I am from ECNEE Department, Faculty of Education, University of Sindh. It's our second day of this 13 week. In this session, we will study about the internal aspects of a textbook in detail. The first internal aspect of textbook is title page. Okay ji, what is the title page means? The title page of a book, thesis, or other written work is the page at or near the front, which displays title, subtitle, author name, publisher, and edition. Now, see, it's a page in which you see the children's book in a children's hand. It's a book title. Now, it's complete descriptions of the authors. There is a no one author, there are authors. At least the four authors are there. And now at the end circle shows the name of a publication, the location. So these all things are included in your title page. Then another one is back cover or pulp. Back cover, the cover on the opposite side of the front cover of the book. Normally, it consists of a pulp. It's mean that a small summarized paragraph with a barcode or the author name as well. These things are included in a back cover or pulp. The part of the book jacket that protect the back pages, or it may be called the part of the book jacket that protect the back pages of the book. Now the another one is spines. The spine is where the signatures and the text block are bound. Usually, the spines will contain important book information, so it can be easily found when up on the shelf in bookstores or the libraries. Information might include the book's title, name of author, and publisher name or logo. This is an anatomical diagram of the spines. Now, spines is situated or bound or gather the pages of your book and combine या attach with the front or the back cover. Now see this another picture. We situated the books like this on a shelf or the libraries because now see this is the author name or the editor name or the picture shows that the illustration of the book as well. So spines are a signature for the text block and it's bounded with a gathering of a paper or means the importance of the whole book are situated in a spine. तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हम बुक को खोल खोल कर चीजें देखें कि उसके अंदर क्या है। आपका स्पाइन जिस शेल्फ में या लाइब्रेरी में रखा है तो सामने जो है वो उसका नेम और उसकी इलस्ट्रेशन जो है वो आपको शो हो जाएगी। नाउ द अनदर वन इज स्पाइन लेबल। The paper or the leather descriptive tag attack on the spine of the book, most commonly provided the title and author of the work. As we know very well, that when we are visiting on a library, then the librarian issue the book with the number. And now the number situated, see, these numbers situated on the spine and it's called a spine label. This is the number and the barcodes और आप देखते हैं कि या तो ये पेपर्स पे रिटन होते हैं या ये लेदर पर इनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन होती है। ऐसे ही आपने देखा ना इनकी जो एक मखसूस अरेंजमेंट है जैसे मैंने कहा कि शेल्फ में ये ऐसे रखे होते हैं तो अपनी इस मखसूस अरेंजमेंट के साथ जो लाइब्रेरियन है वो इसमें कोड एडजस्ट करके स्पाइन के ऊपर शेल्फ के अंदर रखते हैं और जब आप उनको इशू करवाने के लिए बुक जाते हैं तो वो इन्हीं कोड से जो उन्होंने रजिस्टर्ड में एंटर किए हुए होते हैं इन्हीं कोड से आपको बुक इशू करके देते हैं तो इसको आप कहते हैं स्पाइन लेबल। नाउ द अनदर वन इज इनर टाइटल पेज। when we open the books first page is also same title in the inner side, the same title as your book title front cover page same situated in the inner title page. though it's not consisting a complete detail as the your title page consisting. लेकिन ये देखें जैसे छोटा सा नाम लिखा है, now the ABC with a honorary, just there is a no publication, no means के author's name. Now, what is a versu or the recto? As I was told you in our previous lecture, when we studied the anatomy of a book, the front or the face of a single sheet of a paper on the right hand page of an open book is called a recto. The back of the underside of a single sheet of a paper or the left hand page of an open book is known as a verso. When you open the book, the pages that you have read, जो पेजेस आप पढ़ चुके होते हैं, it's called a verso. और जो पेजेस आपको पढ़ने होते हैं, it's called a recto. Build the book, जैसे for example कि you study the पेज नंबर 2, आपने वो पढ़ लिया, नाउ द पेज नंबर 2 इज कॉल्ड अ वर्सु लीव्स, और जो रिमेनिंग आपने पेजेस पढ़ने हैं, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल द पेज नंबर 3, द पेज नंबर 3 आपने अभी पढ़ना है, इट्स कॉल्ड अ रेक्ट. The content page table of a content is a crucial aspect in any book. It tells the reader what to expect, how many chapters there are, what the section of the book look like, how long it is, and what pages they can find certain topics on. This can be section topics, chapter titles, and the discussion. Now your content page is called a table of a content, and it's very crucial. Crucial means very essential aspects of any book. Contain give the complete information about the book to the reader. What the section of the book look like, ये आपको कौन बताएगा? Your content. How long it is? एक chapter कितना बड़ा है? जैसे for example, when you open this content ना, page number 1 consists of introduction. Now the part 1. Part 1, the common calls, started with the 3 page, and now the electrical emergencies starting with the 5th page. It's mean that कि इन दोनों के दरमियान जो है वो कितना पेज होगा? एक. मतलब how long the topic consists of. And now see the chapter number 2. The chapter number 2 started with a 43 page. It's mean that 5 to 43 pages. It's called ke how long this chapter it is and what pages can find certain topics. See, these are the number of the pages and these are the topics. This can be the section topic, now the chapter titles or discussions. So the content is very essential to tell the complete criteria or to tell the complete description of your book. The another one is a forward, preface, introduction. See, the forward written by someone others than the author and tells the reader what they should read the book. Forward is also a description but is not written by the author. It's written by the someone else. It's maybe a other writer. It's maybe a other publication. They tells the readers what readers को मोटिवेट करने की कोशिश करता है. They should read the book. कि उसे ये बुक रीड करनी चाहिए. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि आई एम अ ऑथर एंड यू आर माई वेल विशर्स. ठीक है, तो अगर मैंने कोई बुक लिखा है तो आप उसका छोटा सा डिस्क्रिप्शन दे देंगे कि व्हाई यू रीड दिस बुक. बुक को रीड करें क्योंकि मैंने भी पढ़ी है और ये ऑथर ने बहुत अच्छी लिखी है. इट्स कॉल्ड अ फॉरवर्ड. नाउ द प्रीफेस. Preface is written by the author and tells reader how and why the books came into being. The preface is just a small paragraph. The author is written, reader को ये बताने की कोशिश करता है कि how and why the books came into being. Why I written this book. An introduction. The introduction introduces readers to the main topic of a manuscript and prepares reader for what they can expect. Introduction is also written by the author and the author introduce themselves कि why this manuscript means this book prepares for reader और readers को पढ़ने के बाद मतलब कि वो क्या expect करते हैं बुक से, तो होप सो कि ये बुक उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन पर पूरी उतरेगी. So it's called a introduction. Now it's a summary. As I was told you, the forward written by someone else. Several pages is of a kind word for the readers why he or she should read the books. But the preface is a brief introduction that tells how the book came into being. Who writes? Some other than the author, the book, an expert, the celebrity, or the other respected and well known personality. And now the preface written by the author. What does it say? Impact on the book to the writer of the foreword. And now, dear, what does it say? The story of the author's journey in written the book. Purpose. The purpose is it credibility to the author of the book, connect emotionally to the readers, establish the author credibility, explain the purpose of a written book. Now it's a time of closure. We will continue this topic in our next session. जब तक आप अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा, अपने घर वालों का बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा, मुझे दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.